Actually develop in a way that where you start and debug your application and then you have to do some edits. Our next presenter, Roger, is going to show us an example of pause and resume development.
All right.
Roger?
So pause and resume development, or edit continue development, for those of you who don't know, means that you can run a program, pause it at a breakpoint, edit the source code, and then apply those changes to the pause program directly, and then continue execution without having to terminate the debug session and relaunch the app and so on. We'll make note of that. So,
new comment.
I got wind of the theme a little ahead of time. I want you to make special note of the splash screen, not that you haven't already, because this is the last time you'll see it. Once I strike it down, it will never return. And instead, you're going to see this colliding balls demo, except that my balls aren't colliding. A bug this is, fix it I will. To do that, I will not look at that screen, but look at this one instead. Okay, so I've used the debugger, hit stop this at a breakpoint, pretty vanilla stuff. I suspect it's not getting into this loop here, which is where the collision logic is, so let's step, and sure enough it steps over the loop. So we'll come back around to that, and let's see. Okay, I bet I know that BI should be less than ball count, so let's try that. And then I'm going to use what is for now a special Jedi-only menu command, the edit and continue command. And sure enough, now they're colliding out. And basically, because I have tons of time, and I can, and I want to prove this is no mere Jedi mind trick, I'm going to do it again. So here, let's say, we'll change the color. And because we're, as you can tell, kind of geeking out here tonight, I'll use hex instead of, color. And I like solid, so I'll change the alpha. And again, the special menu command, edit and continue, and now I have solid ribbons.
So Roger, on a larger application, you could just basically pause development, debug, and then return without having to navigate through all of the screens and code?
Absolutely. In fact, that's where this is the biggest payoff, I think. It's, here it was trivial to find the bug. In an application where you spend 10, 15 minutes, an hour a day, whatever, tracking it down, now you can figure out that you found the bug, you can decide if the fix you have is appropriate without navigating all the way back to that state.
Great.